Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Bye-bye!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a channel fish. Look at this. It is an eel.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Bye-bye.
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Aha!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure.
Aha!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
And so the teacher
Goodbye.
turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about.
Look at
till
this.
Mary
Is this a
did
koi fish?
appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher
Look at this.
did
Is this an
reply.
eel?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little
Aha!
lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. Is this a common fish?